I'm in a 2014 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So while the vehicle's on, you'll see this button here. This is your traction control. So just push it once to turn it off, and again to turn it on. Just a matter of one click, and you can see if it's on or off, because right here when it's off, you'll see this symbol up here, and then when you push it again and that symbol goes away, your traction control's on. And if that button's not changing it, you might need to check with the code reader to double check that there's no other issues going on in your system that needs repaired at a mechanic. But usually you want it on. You might turn it off in situations where you're towing, just because that can interfere with the trailer, or maybe you're stuck in the mud or under some like really loose gravel, snowy conditions. You might want it off so your wheels don't spin a certain way. But otherwise, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.